Thank you for visiting this property tour. If you need additional information on this property after the tour, please get in touch with the listing agent. Beautiful street, move-in ready, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Exterior has been painted with new shutters installed. Solid wood cabinetry, smooth ceilings, and solid surfaces throughout. Wood floors in living area, dining area, and bedrooms. Mudroom off the covered, rear parking and separate laundry room. Recently replaced roof, architectural shingles. Lovely, level backyard. Zoned Richland Elementary, White Station Middle, White Station High.